Hello. So let's assume you have the step where you add in text to the existing document, like here. So we are testing this step and getting URL as output. Okay. So, and we should add the next step as custom API call. So let's type it here. Okay. Then we should find custom API call. Okay, continue the current setup. So here we have to select unsearchable. Just type unsearch. Unsearchable. Yeah, this one. We're selecting that, and we're setting URL as input using the URL from the previous step. So we're selecting it here. So it's selected and going as input for this make unsearchable step. We can ignore this one, and we should enable async mode and clicking continue and clicking test action. So it's running test action. It takes URL from the previous step, this step, and turns that into unsearchable PDF. So we got that URL, we can select that, and we can paste that into the window. Let's open that PDF. And you see, we're not able, I'm clicking here, but I'm not able to select that text. So essentially we're converted into scannable. So it's like scanned PDF here. You can see some edges here. So it's not possible to select text by default.